Hi. Hey ladies, how are you? I'm bored. Need a laptop. But I'm not begging. I don't even care. So happy. We're so lucky to be alive. Contentment and peace and brains and education and communicating people. Saying hello to strangers that are nice. You say hello back and smile and you go for a coffee together and get to know each other. How lucky are we to do that? And talk about world problems and just be happy and be peaceful. And just, how lucky are we? But I feel everything on earth is here for a reason. We're all born and we choose our destiny before we get to earth. It's a spiritual thing. Soon when I get my own laptop, I'll be talking about it a lot. But I'll be rapping like Tupac. It's like I need to put my pulse on the pulse. I need to put my fingers on the pulse, tuning my brain to a better day. Play the game, don't stay away from anybody. Play my own ways and see my own brain develop, grow, make my own ways. Let me see and flow, make my own day, grow and grow. Now go away.